Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about vowel diagrams and phonics. Are you ready? Get your phonics book so we can start. Okay? Last week, you were supposed to work on vowel pairs. Basically, for you to remember, vowel pairs are two vowels together that make a sound longer or sometimes it makes it shorter. Today we're going to see vowel diagram. What are vowel diagrams? A vowel diagram are two letters together. It stands for one vowel sound. It can be short or long, or have a special sound it's on its own. For example, let's see. The vowel O, double O, stands for the vowel sound you hear in book and in pool. Can you see that both of them have a long O sound? Book and pool. The vowel diagram EA can stand for a short E sound you hear on red. You cannot hear the A. You hear a short E sound. Red. Can you hear it? Great, guys. You understand about vowel diagrams? Let's practice. Okay, go to page 133 on your phonics books. You can pause the video if you need to. I recall you. Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's see what we have to do. So we can understand what we have to do. We have to read the directions. Let's read them together. Circle the word that has the vowel diagram double O or EA. Then write the words in the correct column. Okay, we are going to circle all the words that we found with a vowel diagram. Okay, let's read number 1. Mike and Joe looked at the clock and saw that it was noon. There can be more than one word with a vowel diagram. Can you identify the first one? That's right. Looked. Looked is it has a vowel diagram. Can you find the next one? Yes, noon. Noon is the other word that has a vowel diagram. Both of them have double O. Okay, let's do number 2. They stood up and left the classroom. What are the words that we can find with a vowel diagram? Can you look for the first one? There we go, stood. Stood is the first word that has a vowel diagram. Can you identify the next one? That's right, classroom. Classroom has a vowel diagram. We usually look for the little words that just have a diagram like noon or stood, but there are larger words or compound words that have a vowel diagram. Okay, let's continue. The weather was cool, so they grabbed their jackets. Can you identify the vowel diagram? That's right, weather. Weather has a vowel diagram. And the next one? Cool, that's right. Okay, number 4. They were ready to play a good game of football. What are the two words? Or maybe just one. We have ready, yes, and good. Those are the two vowel diagrams. Okay, right now I want you to pause the video and on your own do from 5 to 8. You can pause it, read carefully, and then you can put play on the video so we can check them together, okay? Oh, and I missed football. That's right. I missed the word football on the last one. Good call, guys. Okay, let's check our answers. Number 5. Mike threw the heavy ball and it sailed over Joe's head. What are the vowel diagrams? We have heavy and head. Number 6. The ball took a sudden turn toward the school wall. What are the vowel diagrams? Took, and school. That's right. Number 7. Mike watched with dread as it went toward a window. Can you identify the vowel diagram? They were dread and just dread in the number 7. And number 8, at the last minute, Joe scooped up the ball. Scooped was the vowel diagram. Good job, guys. Now, all those words, we have to write it down in the columns that you have on the bottom part of your page. You have it in those football, you have the title for each one of the lists. Okay, let's see. Let's write all the words that have double O as in book. We have looked, stood, good, football, and took. Now let's write the words that have double O as in who. We have noon, classroom, cool, school, and scooped. That's right. Now let's look for the words that have EA as in bread. We have weather, ready, heavy, red, and dread. That's right. Good job, guys. Let's continue. Next page, page 134. And now let's see. In the first part, from 1 to number 6, we're going to read the directions. Find the word in the box that will complete the sentence. Write the word on the line. You can see that there on the top part you have a word box. That all of those words have a short E sound, as in head, for example. So we're going to look for them. Look where they can fit better in a sentence. Okay, number 1. Heather and Sid eat large every day. Look for the words. We have on the box, we have bread, breakfast, headlines, heavy, ready, and weather. That's right. Heather and Sid eat a large breakfast every day. Good job. Let's continue with number 2. They have and jam with their milk and cereal. They have bread and jam. That's right. Number 3. Sid reads all the in the newspaper first. That's right, headlines. That's how you call the titles in a newspaper. They are called headlines. Sid reads all the headlines in the newspaper first. Okay, let's continue with number 4. You can pause the video if you need more time to write the answers, okay? Number 4. The report said that it will snow later. We usually hear this report on the news or on TV. Weather, that's right, the weather report. It tells us how it's going to be the weather today or later. Number 5. Heather and Sid put on their coats and boots. When you are cold and you put coats and boots, you want them to be heavy, right? So it could be a lot more warmer. So they put their heavy coats and boots. And finally, number 6. Now they are for their long walk to school. Now they are ready. That's right. It was the last word of their long walk to school. Great job, guys. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue, guys. Let's do the next part. Let's read our directions. Find the word in the box that will complete the sentence and write the word on the line. There you have another word box. These words have an E, a long A sound. A, E, and an I together sound like an A. For example, in 8, you can hear that A in there, but it's actually an EI. Okay, we have 8, 18, neighbor, bang, wait, and wait. Okay, let's start doing it. Number 7. Lauren's health class grew from 16 to 18 students. That's right. Number 8. Here, Mrs. Parkhurst is the health teacher. Her neighbor. That's right. Number 9. She teaches that carry blood to the heart. The veins. Veins carry blood all the way to your heart. Number 10. Lauren learns how to read a scale to find her weight. That's right. If you have a scale at home, you can weigh yourself. It shows the Lauren 60 pounds. She weighs 60 pounds. And number 12, Lauren gained pounds since last year. Gained 8 pounds since last year. Great job, guys. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time to finish writing the answers. Amazing job. That is it of phonics. I love you, mis amores, and I miss you a lot. Remember to be good students and behave at home. Listen to your parents and follow their instructions.